Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you see here today Moodle has released its newer version, that is Moodle 5.2. Release date you see here, it's today 20 April 26. So now let's have a look at the server requirement and what all has changed since the last version. So in the 5.1 you see here on the top title you can see the 5.1 and left side you see 5.2. Okay, so I am switching between the left and right. So now you see the left side I have the lower version and right side higher, that is the latest one, 5.2. So in 5.2, for if you are going for the upgrade, what is the minimum version requirement you'll have here? For the 5.1 it was 4.2, but in case of 5.2 we'll have at least Moodle 4.4, so that you can directly jump to Moodle 5.2. Okay, or later, all welcome. Now coming to PHP version, so minimum requirement in 5.2 you'll have here 8.3, and in earlier version like the 5.1 it was 8.2. Okay, and here you see the 8.4x is also supported. So even in earlier version it was supported. So if you are sitting at the latest PHP version, so it will be supporting both the 5.1 and 5.2. Okay, so it will be supported 8.4 as well in 5.1 also, and of course in 5.2. Now this remains the same, the extension, the sodium requirements will remain the same as in the previous version. Now if you jump over the next point, the max input where it must be greater than or equals to 5000, so it remained the same as it was in the previous model version. So PHP variants, only 64-bit version of PHP are supported. So this also remain the same. So up to here you can consider all are same here. Now you see for the 5.2, you have the minimum requirement of 8.3. So if you are lagging behind in the PHP version, first you'll have to update your PHP to 8.3. Then you'll have to think around the Moodle upgrade. All right, and this version will have to match. Now coming to the database requirements, if I compare with the previous version, I can see the Postgre 15 was the minimum requirement. Now it has the minimum 16 requirement. MySQL 8.4 it remained the same in the 5.2 as well. So in case of MariaDB, it was 10 2011.0, remains the same in 5.2 as well as the minimum requirement of the MariaDB, and same goes for Aurora. All right, so these are the requirement you have here. So only changes you see here within the Postgre. Okay, so other remain the same. So at least you'll have to match to minimum version 16 for either if you are going for the new installation of 5.2 or upgrade, we'll have to match this Postgre. Please note that the Oracle database is no longer supported in this one. So earlier version it was also not supported. Okay, so Oracle have been removed. Now you see here the Microsoft SQL Server, it was 17 was the required, but here I don't see 19 is the required. Okay, so this will not be working 17. We'll have to at least the minimum requirement is this is the version of 2019. Okay, so to change at the database level, the Postgre will have to upgrade to 16 and the MySQL server will have to match to 2019. And here the server environment 8.3 is the minimum requirement, and for the upgrade at least your Moodle should have the 4.4. Got it? So these are the basic thing you'll have to think before installing either a new one or upgrading to Moodle 5.2. So this is all from this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.
More videos are on the way. Stay tuned for exclusive upcoming content on Moodle LMS and AI. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.